Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can find post ID over on WordPress. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open up your WordPress profile and go to post under the left side menu. Then you will see something like this. Here there's no option regarding the post ID. Even if you open up your post, you won't be able to see it. But if you turn the view to the classic, you will be able to see a lot of options here. Now tap on any post and tap on edit. Then on the web URL, you will see something like this: post equals 3. This ID is your post ID. Similarly, if you edit other category to see other ID, the process will be same. That's how you can check the post ID over on WordPress. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.